ADA Workgroup. As the ADA coordinator, as the parks director in charge of accessibility at your parks, put together a group. If it's you by yourself trying to do this, it's not going to happen. You're busy. You've been assigned ADA as this task that you're required to do because you're required to have an ADA coordinator. You're trying to do ADA work as a set aside to your primary role. Put a working group together. Facilities, transportation, public works. Get people from different departments involved. That way you all are working together towards the same goal. If facilities goes out and does some work, you're talking to them. You know what? Actually, that was an ADA barrier. I'll go ahead and I'll document that. Perfect. Great. Put that working group together. It's going to make your life 30, 40 times easier, and it'll make your work 30, 40 times more effective.